How to change the region in Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your region in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the reason that you might actually want to change your region in Netflix could be because you might want to just go ahead and then actually try to watch the shows that are not available in your region. Now the only way you can achieve this is by simply using a VPN. Now not all the VPN are also going to work. In my current case I'm using an IPVanish premium VPN, by the way, so this is a premium plan that I have. If you have other VPNs you can try it. Some of the VPNs like NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, Turbo VPN, they're also going to do the job. From here you can simply connect to a certain region that you would like to change a Netflix account to, then just tap the connect option there. After you connect it, come back and open Netflix, and then you should be able to see those regions and shows. This way you can change the Netflix region. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.